bunch of these. They are bricks with studs on all sides.
Maybe I should take a cup of this.
Yeah, you should definitely, because these are
Are these hard to find?
they're not, well, lately they've started adding them to the wall. But tell your brother,
Oh, so look at that.
I'm gonna build a lightsaber out of this. And look, so now that you've done this, right, you take these elements and you stick them on all sides. Wait, I'll show you. And you do this all the way up, and now you have a lightsaber blade.
Oh my goodness.
That's pretty sturdy. It's amazingly sturdy. So I made something maybe twice as long as this.
Okay.
Last night I was like
But
experimenting.
It's almost full size. Oh, that's
Yeah,
so cool.
but it's solid.
And you can also create this as like the pillars.
Yeah,
If you're building a
and
building.
that too. Yeah, I mean these
Or
are
for bridges.
these
Oh my God,
are-
I'm gonna get him a cup.
these are some of the best bricks that Lego has ever come out with.
Wow.
And I'm pretty sure they developed them for the Brickheads line.
Oh, okay.
Their answer to the Funko Pops. But it's a neat little trick, right?
Wow. I'm gonna post this. The brick members have to know, and I'm gonna get a cup for my brother.
Yeah,
Thank
definitely
you
get
so
it.
much, Sid.
The only problem with these elements is that they are a little big.
Oh, so they can be
So
for the
you
tiny
can't
creations.
get that many into a cup, but
Oh no, don't worry. I stack very well.
it's amazing. I can't believe it. I gotta meet your brother.
Oh, when he's here, don't worry. He has a visa, so he'll come. It's just he's been busy.
Oh my God! So you buy and box everything back to it?
Yes. So, and I repack his orders. He orders from the other members.
Oh my!
I repack them, put them in Ziplocs.
So the thing that you said to me about like just collecting pieces but not really building.
Yes. Yeah.
That's me.
You do that too.
I admit it.
You're guilty.
I'm trying to. So after like more than 30 years of
Oh
but
my
look,
goodness.
all you gotta do is repeat it, and now you have like a lightsaber blade.
Oh wow.
So this is,
Perfect.
but it's like strong as heck.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Sid.
Yeah, that's so cool.